Unit 6 Array, Topic 6.3 Enhanced For Loop for Arrays. In this lesson, we will look at how to access each element in an array using an enhanced for loop. The structure of an enhanced for loop offers a more simplified code. However, it also offers less flexibility compared to the standard for and while loops. Enhanced for loops are often referred to as for each loops since they loop through each element. This is the syntax or blueprint of an enhanced for loop. An enhanced for loop header includes a variable referred to as the enhanced for loop variable. You start with the keyword for. Instead of initializing a variable for looping, the enhanced for loop header initializes a new variable known as the enhanced for loop variable. The type of the variable needs to match the type of the values in the array. After the enhanced for loop variable is defined, we finish our header by placing a colon and then the name of the array you are traversing. Let's look at an example using this array called scores. We create an enhanced for loop variable of type integer called score followed by a colon. We then call the array scores, which we want to traverse. In this example, we want to display each element. Notice that we call the enhanced for loop variable to be displayed. For each iteration of the enhanced for loop, the enhanced for loop variable is assigned a copy of an element without using its index. Assigning a new value to the enhanced for loop variable does not change the value stored in the array. Program code written using an enhanced for loop to traverse and access elements in an array can be rewritten using an indexed for loop or a while loop. Which for loop should we use? Enhanced for loops provide efficient ways to access objects. Notice the parameters within the standard for loop and the parameters in the enhanced for loop. The standard for loop offers the greatest degree of flexibility when accessing elements within an array. You should use this when you are looking at updating or modifying values in your array. You should also use this when you need a counter to keep track of data. The enhanced for loop is an efficient and simplified way to traverse an array from start to finish. You should use this when you don't need to modify elements in your array, and also use it when you don't need a counter to keep track of data.